Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll look at the Lewis dot structure of selenium atom. To do so, we must know the total number of valence electrons that it has, and it can be easily determined by looking at the periodic table. For example, lithium is in group 1a, so it will have one valence electron in its outermost shell. Those present in group 2a will have two valence electrons, and this rule follows up for group 1a, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a, and 8a elements. The transition metals, that is the D block element, does not follow this rule. So here we can see that selenium is in P block element, and in P block it is situated in group 6A. So it will have 6 valence electrons. Thus also the elements present in this group are also known as chalcogens. Let us draw Lewis structure of selenium by putting 6 electrons around it. So this is the Lewis dot structure of selenium. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.